So now the question is, find an approximation of 0.99 to the power 5 using the first 3 terms of its expansion. Now as you can see, it is 0.99 to the power 5. So though it will have 6 terms to the power 5, this will have 6 terms, but according to the question we have to find the first 3 terms of the expansion, and then we have to get the value in the first 3 terms of the expansion. 0.995 can be written like 1 minus 0.01 to the power of 5. Now expanding it binomially. Now 5 C 0 1 to the power 5, it is minus. So next term will be minus 5 C 1 1 to the power 4 0.01 and plus 5 C 3 1 to the power 3 0.01 whole square. So because we are going to ignore the other terms, because we have to find for these 3 terms only. So now values, this is 1, this 1 to the power 5 will be 1 only, this is 1 minus 5 C 1 is 5, 1 to the power 4 will be 1 only into 0.01 plus 5 C 3, you solve 5 C 3, this is 5 into 4 by 2, 1 cube is again 1, and this is 0.01 whole square. So this will be into 0.0001. Okay. Now the next step. Next step will be 1 minus 0.05 plus 10 into, because this will become 10, 0.0001. Okay. So this will become, this is 1 minus 0.05 plus this will become 0.001. So basically add these two, 1.001 minus 0.05. The answer will be 0.951. So this is our answer. Next question. Find n if the ratio of the 5th term from the beginning to the 5th term from the end in the expansion of, now this is 4th root of 2 plus 1 by 4th root of 3 to the whole power n is root 6 is root 6 is to 1. Now first of all we write this, we can write this as, this is 4 root, 4th root is given, this is the 3rd root is given. Okay. Now this you can write this as 2 to the power 1 by 4, and this is, see, this will be 3 to the power 1 by 4, this is an upon, so we can write plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 4. So this is minus 1 by 4 to the whole power n. Now they are saying 5th term from the beginning. Now 5th term is t 4 plus 1. Now t 4 plus 1, that is t 5. So now this will be r value is 5, so n c 4, this is n n c 4, 2 to the power 1 by 4 to the whole power n minus 4, and then 3 to the power minus 1 by 4 to the whole power 4, because here r is 4. So t 5, actually this t 5 will be n c 4, this will be 2 to the power n minus 4 by 4, and this will be 3 to the power minus 1. Okay. Now the question is 5th term from the end. So see, there is, like, what you can do is that to find the 5th term from the end is basically the 5th term from the beginning only if you interchange the position of x and y. Now I will interchange the position of x and y and find the 5th term only. So the step that you should note is you have to interchange the position of x and y. So, like I am writing here for like end. Now, for end I am interchanging the position. This is 3 to the power minus 1 by 4 plus 2 to the power 1 by 4 to the whole power n. Okay. So, this T5 will be, now T5 is what? Again this is T4 plus 1. So, this is n C4 3 to the power minus 1 by 4 to the whole power n minus 4, 2 to the power 1 by 4 to the whole power 4. So, T5 this will be n C4, this is 3 to the power, actually this is negative, this will be negative minus n minus 4 by 4 and this is 2 to the power 1. Okay. Now, fifth term from the beginning. So, basically this is the ratio of the fifth term. So, this is the fifth term from the beginning, this is the fifth term from the end. Okay. Now, what is the given condition? The ratio, what is the ratio given? So, fifth term from the beginning and fifth term from end. So, this upon this equals root 6 by 1. So, this is n C4, this is 2 to the power n minus 4 by 4, 3 to the power minus 1 upon this is n C4, 3 to the power minus n minus 4 by 4, 2 to the power 1. So, this ratio is given as root 6 by 1. This is root 6 by 1. Okay. Now, we know that NC4 they will cancel out. So, what is left over here is 2 to the power n minus 4 by 4 and this is 2 to the power 1. So, this will be minus 1 and into 3 to the power minus n minus 4 by 4 and this is already minus 1. So, means no, sorry, this is negative, so this will go up, this will be plus and this is minus 1 which is equals to root 6 actually, because root 6 by 1 you can write it as root 6. Now, solving these fractions n minus 4 by 4 minus 1, n minus 4 by 4, sorry, this is n, and both n minus 4 by 4 minus 1, n minus 4 by 4 minus 1, that is equals to root 6. So, this will give you 2 to the power n minus 4 by 4 and this will give you 3 to the power minus 4 plus n minus 4 by 4 which is equals root 6. Okay. So, this will be 2, this will be 2 to the power n minus 8 by 4 and this will be 3 to the power n minus 8 by 4 equals root 6. Actually, both are the same term. Okay. Now, so basically this will be, see, the powers are same, so we can write 6. So, you can write just as 6 to the power n minus 8 by 4 equals root 6. You can write 6 to the power 1 by 2. 6 to the power 1 by 2. Now, we can compare the power n minus 8 by 4 equals 1 by 2. So, I am writing n minus 8 by 4 equals 1 by 2. So, solving this, cross multiplying, solving, this will give you n equals 10. Now, expand 3x square minus 2x plus 3a square, this is cube. Okay. So, now first of all, in this case we have to rearrange. We will take 3x square and 3a square and then we will take 3 common from them. So, such that this will be 3 x square plus a square minus 2ax. See, you can write this, you can take first of all 3x square plus 3a square minus 2ax whole cube. So, actually this will be, you take 3 common, this will be x square plus a square minus 2ax whole cube. Now, applying the binomial theorem in this, taking this as x, this as y. Okay. So, let us start. So, this will be starting from here, this is to the power 3. So, 3c0. So, 3c0, this is 3 x square plus a square, this is cube, okay, minus 3c1, 3c1, this is 3 x square plus a square to the power 2 into 2ax, okay. Now, plus 3c2, this is 3 x square plus a square, this will be power 1, but this will be into 2ax whole square, this square. And now again there is one more, minus 3c3 2ax whole cube. So, this is our binomial expansion. Now, solve. Now, we know that 3c0 is 1. Now, this is 3 cube. So, this becomes 27. So, 27 x square plus a square cube. This is 3, this is 3. So, you write minus 3, this is square. So, this is 9 into 9, bracket is x square plus a square whole square, and then 2ax also into 2ax. So, I will write x like this, yeah, so that you should not confuse between multiplication and x. This is a multiplication sign, this is x, 2ax. Okay. Now, plus this is 3. So, 3 into 3 x square plus a square, 4a square x square. So, this is 3 into 3 x square plus a square, and this is 4a square x square, and minus 3c3 is again 1. This is cube. So, this will become 8a cube x cube minus 8a cube x cube. Okay. Now we have to open this x square plus a square whole cube, x square plus a square whole square. You have to open this using that same thing, the binomial thing. This is 27. Okay. So, now this is 3c0 x square cube plus 3c1, this is x square a square a square plus 3c2 x square, and this will be a square, okay, plus this is 3c3 a square whole cube. So, this is an expression for this term, a square plus x square whole cube. Now, take this as 27, this is minus 27, minus 927. Now, expansion of this will be 2c0 x square plus 2c1 x square a square plus 2c2, this is a square whole square. This is a square whole square, and last we have 2x, so into 2ax. Okay. Plus this is just 9 plus this is 9 x square plus a square and also 4 a square x square and minus 8 a cube x cube. Okay. Now, in the next step, we write the values of this. So, this will be 27. Now, I am writing the values. You know that 3c0 is 1 and this is x square cube to x to the power 6. Okay. Plus, this is actually what? This is 3. So, this is 3 a square x to the power 4, or you can write plus 3 x to the power 4 a square, plus this is what 3 x square a to the power 4 plus 3 x square a to the power 4 plus this is 1 a to the power 6 a to the power 6. Okay. Now, minus 20 again, this is from here, minus 27, 2c0 is 1, this is x to the power 4 plus this is 2c1 is 2. So, 2 x square a square plus again this is 2c2 is 1, a square whole square is a to the power 4, then bracket close. So, sorry, this is a to the power 4 bracket close into 2ax plus continuation. This is 4 9s are 36. So, 36 a square x square plus a square and minus 8 a cube x cube. Okay. So, now we are opening the bracket, means 27 is to multiply it with this minus 27 with whole this actually with 2ax also. This will be actually we should have written 57 minus 54 minus 54ax to multiply it with this, then this open bracket and this. So, our answer will be 27 x to the power 6 plus this is 81 x to the power 4 a square, this into this, then this into this, then this into this. Okay. Then again plus 81 x square a to the power 4 plus 27 a to the power 6. Now, this should be actually minus 54ax, then bracket minus 54ax, then this. Okay. So, which is actually x to the power 4 plus 2 x square a square plus a to the power 4 bracket close. Okay. Plus now this will be 36 a square x to the power 4 plus 36 a to the power 4 x square minus 8 a cube x cube. Now, opening the bracket and solving them. So, when you open this bracket, means this is minus 54ax, this is inside bracket x to the power 4, 2a square x square plus a to the power 4. So, opening all this bracket, you have to write it again. This will be 27 x to the power 6 plus 117 x to the power 4 a square plus 81 x square a to the power 4 plus 27 a to the power 6. This is minus 54, this is minus 54 a x to the power 5, this is minus 54 a to the power 5x 8 a cube x cube minus 108. Solving this, actually solving this, you get a cube x cube on further solving. So, again joining the like terms and all this, our final answer will be 27 x to the power 6 minus 54 a x to the power 5 plus 117 a square x to the power 4 minus 116 a cube x cube plus 117 a to the power 4 x square minus 54 a to the power 5 x plus 27 a to the power 6. Find the term independent of x. X is not equal to 0 in the expansion of 3x square by 2 minus 1 by 3x to the power 15. So, we have to find the term independent of x. So, again we will start with the nth term. So, you can write t r plus 1, this is equals, this is n is 15. So, 15 c r and this is 3 x square by 2 to the power 15 minus r, and this is minus 1 by 3x to the power r. So, in this question, instead of doing minus 1 to the power r, I have taken directly minus 1 by 3x to the power r. So, 15 cr. Now, see, this is 3 by 2 to the power 15 minus r, that is understood, 3 by 2 to the power 15 minus r. Now, x is what? X is, this is square to the power 15 minus r. So, you can write x as this is 2 into 5, 2 into 15 is 30 minus 2r, and this is actually you can write this as minus 1 to the power r, and this is 3x means 3 to the power r and x to the power r. So, x to the power r will go over here, this will be, so x will be 30 minus 3r. Okay, so writing this term again, this is 15 c2, this is 3 by 2 to the power 15 minus r, and this will be x to the power 30 minus 3r, and this is minus 1 to the power r, 3 to the power r. See, here we are concerned with the x only. Now, see, the term independent of x means we have to eliminate x. So, that means the power is, the power of x is 0. So, just equate this 30 minus 3r, that means the power of x equals 0. Power of equals 0 means r equals 10. So, r equals 10 means t 10 plus 1, that is the 11th term is independent of the term x. Show that the middle term in the expansion of x minus 1 by x to the power 2n is this. You have to prove that the middle term is this. So, in this expansion, see, what is n? N is actually 2n. We know that if n is an even number, then the nth, the middle term will be 2n by 2 plus 1th term, means n plus 1th term is the middle one. Now, writing the general form. So, t r plus 1, this will be because what are the n is 2n. So, 2n c r, this is x to the power 2n minus r, and this will be minus x to the power r. Okay. So, this was the nth term. So, what putting r equals to n, so this will be t n plus 1. So, this is 2n c n x to the power 2n minus n minus 1 by x to the power n. So, basically 2n c n is what? 2n c n, you can write 2n c n as 2n factorial upon n factorial into n factorial, because n factorial, r factorial, 2n minus n factorial is 2n factorial. This is x to the power n, this is can be written as minus 1 to the power n, and this is x to the power n. These two will get cancelled. So, what we are with? We are with 2n factorial upon n factorial into n factorial minus 1 to the power n, minus 1 to the power n. So, now this is 2n factorial. So, this you can write as 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3 and so on up to 3, 2, 1 upon this is n factorial and this is minus 1 to the power n. Actually, you know, if you see carefully, this can be divided into odd and even numbers. Now, the starting with the even number, this 2n, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 4, oh sorry, 2n minus 4 and so on up to 6, 4, 2, and then comes the odd, that will be 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3 and so on 5, 3, 1 upon n factorial and at last this was into minus 1 to the power n. Okay. Now, see, from here we can take 2 common. So, 2 common means 2 from here, 2 from here, 2 from here, that will be n times. So, this will be 2 to the power n. Okay. And now, this will be, if we take 2 to the power n common, now what this will be? This will be n, n minus 1, n minus 2 and so on up to 3, 2, 1, and this will be 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3 and so on up to 5, 3, 1 to the whole n factorial and this was minus 1 to the power n. Okay. Now, we can write this as n factorial, it is clearly n factorial. So, this is 2 to the power n into n factorial and this we can write like 1, 3, 5 and so on up to 2n minus 1 upon n factorial, this is minus 1 to the power n. N factorial gets cancelled. These two are same, we can combine them. So, this will be 1, 3, 5 and so on up to 2n minus 1 by n factorial and this is minus 2 to the power n. Hence, that is what we have to prove. If x to the power p occurs in the expansion of x square plus 1 by x square to the power 2n, prove that its coefficient is, now see the coefficient, 2n factorial whole upon 4n minus p by 3 factorial 2n plus p by 3 factorial. Now, see, this is our question. So, taking the general term, now general term is, you can write general term as t r plus 1. So, that will be 2n c r, this is x square to the power 2n minus r 1 by x to the power r. Okay. So, actually this can be written like this 2n c r. So, this is x to the power 4n minus 2 r and this is x to the power r. So, this is x to the power 4n minus 2 r and this is 1 upon x to the power r. This will be 4n minus 3 r. So, this is 2n c r x to the power 4n minus 3 r. Now, we know that x to the power p, if x to the power p occurs, you have to equate the powers. So, basically 4n minus 3 r will be p. We have to find the value of r. Now, solving this, what is r? R is 4n minus p by 3. Now, we have to substitute the value of r in this equation, so that to get the coefficient, so which is basically this thing 2n c r, which is the coefficient will be 2n c, this is 4n minus p by 3. So, this is the coefficient. So, which is equals to, now you have to solve this. This is 2n factorial, sorry 2n factorial upon r factorial is 4n minus p by 3 factorial 2n minus this 2n minus 4n minus p by 3 factorial. So, if you solve it, you will get the answer, which is 2n factorial upon 4n minus p by 3 factorial 2n plus p by 3 factorial.